Welcome to Agile 2025. Beyond the buzz, an introduction to modern Agile frameworks and why they matter today. In this talk, we'll explore how Agile has matured, practical frameworks you can use, and real-world outcomes to expect, all framed around delivering customer value faster and building teams that learn and adapt continuously. This slide shows how agility has spread beyond IT into functions like HR and finance, with adoption strongest in technology teams but steadily growing across the enterprise. The charts highlight the top motivations: speed, cost efficiency, and happier teams. While the key takeaway is clear, agility is now a survival skill that improves efficiency and engagement across functions. Here we revisit the 4 core Agile values and explain a modern twist: the shift from rigid process to a value-guided mindset. The diagram reminds us to prioritize people, working outcomes, customer collaboration, and responsiveness. And the new organizational mantra asks one simple question: before any decision, does this deliver customer value faster, encouraging practical choices over heavyweight certifications? At the heart of Agile is a continuous feedback loop of transparency, inspection, and adaptation, replacing upfront planning with iterative, data-driven learning. The gear graphic shows how daily visibility and sprint inspections feed adaptations, and the metrics on the right illustrate tangible benefits like substantial efficiency gains and much faster feature adoption when teams focus on outcomes. Scrum gives teams a simple, repeatable rhythm to turn ideas into increments of value, with defined roles that protect priorities, facilitate flow, and create the work. The sprint cycle graphic walks through planning, daily syncs, reviews, and retrospectives, while the artifact set ensures a clear backlog and measurable increments so teams can sustain predictable delivery and continuous improvement. Scaled Agile, or SAFe, combines team autonomy with lightweight governance to coordinate dozens of teams toward a shared vision. The framework diagram highlights PI planning and a DevOps pipeline that synchronizes work across multiple teams, and the Barclays case study shows how structure plus autonomy can shorten release cycles dramatically and improve defect removal by a noteworthy margin. AI is increasingly automating tedious parts of the Agile process, while keeping humans in the loop for judgment and empathy. The flow shows bots grooming backlogs, forecasting sprint overflow, and auto-generating acceptance tests, with a mandatory human veto on algorithmic outputs and measurable benefits reported as faster story completion and fewer production defects when AI assists teams. Looking ahead, Agile in 2025 is global, asynchronous, and AI-enabled, with tools that create 24-hour feedback loops across time zones. The slide illustrates asynchronous stand-ups, voice note retros, and AI summaries feeding continuous learning, while organizational practices like rotating facilitators and camera-optional norms help preserve psychological safety and tap global talent without burning out teams. Finally, rolling out Agile at scale starts with a focused value stream pilot and expands through validated, measurable outcomes to organization-wide adoption. Begin by picking a product line and forming a cross-functional squad. Run short sprints and measure lead time improvements. Then prove impact, expand horizontally, and build internal ambassadors to embed an ongoing improvement culture for sustainable scale.